Hello, welcome to Brenna's Bargains. So, if you want to learn how to shop at Dollar General, how to find the markdowns, how to find the discounts, how to find the pennies, then this is the right place to be. I will show you how to do that, how to figure out the dots to help you out. So this video is going to cover some pot clearance or for the clearance event and pink Clover. So just a friendly reminder that the next clearance event starts October 7th through October 9th. So in the clearance event, there'll be clearance all throughout the store. There's in the clearance aisle. Right now there is some clearance in the front of the registers. So they probably will be pulling them soon. So I wanted to give you some visuals so you can have that for future reference. So there's lots of little candies that are going in the clearance event and in the next clearance event, which is in October. So hopefully it will be just like it was last year, an extra 50% off. So if that is true, then this 50 cents will be 25 cents, for example. So this one is $18, and I thought it was 18 cents or something like that, and then I realized it was $18 when I scanned it. So I was like, oh, okay, never mind. So this is a table that's just set up in front of the store, and so I just wanted to give you several visuals of things that are going to be in the clearance event. Also in the clearance event, if there's coupons, sometimes they have coupons. We'll just have to wait and see as it gets closer. And if there's coupons, then you can attach the coupons and you get the extra 50% off. It could be a really win-win situation on a clearance event. But it just depends on how it goes when it gets closer. So this is just things to look out for the future. And you just pick and choose the ones you want to get. And eventually these items do penny out, or they do just get pulled off the shelf. So I didn't record everything on this table. This is a large table. It looks like about 2 tables in the front of the store. So I just kind of started glancing over just to show you. These are a lot of cleaners that you see on end caps. There's lots of hair dyes. I was just trying to grab odds and ends of things that I usually don't see all the time, and just to give you a couple more visuals. But when the clearance event gets closer, we'll probably do more visuals on these, so that way you can see more up close of the deals and things that are going on. But this store. They had several items, and they had lots of gum and candy, and then they had just odds and ends. But like I said, I didn't cover everything on all these tables. But I just wanted to give you quick visuals and this, just to let you see what's in the clearance event. So, don't forget about the end racks, and just make sure that you're looking for tags. Also the placemats right now are going for 50 cents. So I wanted to give you a couple more visuals on the placemats, and then we're going to go into the pink Clover. These will be future pennies. So I just wanted to give you some visuals on the pink Clover for future reference. So now we're starting the pink Clover, and I haven't seen that many stores carry these items. There's only a couple of them. I noticed the gray ones the most. So I'm not sure when these will go exactly, but I just wanted to give you visuals for the future. What I like about this pink Clover is it's very modern. It has like a gold and charcoal and kind of gray look to it. Very modern looking, very cute. The $8 one is the tray. So it has lots of metallic colors, and I really like it. Also, I noticed that the sun care was underneath it, so I decided to do a close-up on that. So I did get like about 10 visuals on that. With some tags, so you can all have that for future reference. And now we're going to go probably back to clearance a little bit again. So these are just extra items to be on the out for on future markdowns. And also I found this and I noticed that was marking down in my account. So here's just some more POG tags to show you. Also, if they just have orange stickers or orange tags, they're going to be probably marked down like in the future clearance event. So I just wanted to give you more visuals. Don't forget the toy section. There was also the party section, some food items, and I got you several visuals on that. The prices are still slowly going down every week. So it's like it starts with 10% and it goes to 25%. And then eventually, that's usually when they have a clearance event when they start hitting 25%. So when they're 25%, it's like getting them off 75% in the clearance event. So it's a win. You're going to get a good deal on it. Also, I apologize that my voice is hoarse. When I keep talking, my voice kind of strains out. So I apologize for that. But here's some more food items for the clearance event. And wanted to give you several visuals on that. So you can add them to your account. Or you can just be on the lookout for them for visuals. So if you stay to the end, you get to see a little glimpse of what it looked like last year. Here it is. And we'll see you next time. You have a good day. God bless. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.